Remember children, greater number in our head and smaller number on our fingers. Okay, so let's begin with the first one. 6 plus 2. So 6 is the greater number. So that will come in our head and 2 on our fingers. So after 6, 7, 8. Answer is 8. Next we have 7 plus 1. So 7 is a greater number. 7 in our head, 1 on our finger. After 7, 8. Answer is 8. 3 plus 2. 3 in our head, 2 on our fingers. So after 3, 4, 5. Answer is 5. Next is 2 plus 5. So here 5 is a greater number which will go in our head and 2 on our fingers. So after 5, 6, 7. Answer is 7. Here 0 plus 4. So greater is 4. 4 in our head and 0 means nothing. So answer is 4. Very good. 4 plus 2. 4 in our head, 2 on our fingers. So after 4, 5, 6. Answer is 6. Next we have 2 plus 0. 2 in our head and 0 means nothing. So answer is 2. Next 4 plus 4. Here both the numbers are the same, right? So 4 in our head and 4 on our fingers. After 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Answer is 8. Next 1 plus 4. 4 in our head and 1 on our finger. After 4, 5. Answer is 5. 5 plus 3. 5 in our head and 3 on our fingers. So after 5, 6, 7, 8. Answer is 8. Very good. Next 4 plus 3. Again 4 in our head and 3 on our fingers. After 4, 5, 6, 7. Answer is 7. Next we have 6 plus 0. 6 in our head and 0 means, yes, 0 means nothing. So answer is 6.